What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. We'll do a full update, we'll talk about next week, we'll talk about what to expect, those kind of things. I have some ideas, I had some interesting things I wanted to share with you as well in this video, so that's what we'll do. I'll try to prepare you as well as possible for next week. Take a look at some economic events as well. But before we dive into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, as you can also see at the top right there, then check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. But for now, onto Bitcoin. So what we're seeing right now is, first of all, in terms of market structure, just a quick recap of what I've said for the last 2 weeks or so. Is that I think we are in a consolidation range, and well, that's been confirmed, between 31,500 and 29,700, kind of that area. And I think we are still in the middle of our fifth wave right here. So my price target is around 35,000. That's where I think we can go. But for now, there's actually, like last Friday, we actually had quite a big bearish move right here. I wouldn't say that is too much of a problem, because I think we've been holding our levels fairly well. But the situation for today is just that the volume right now is getting pretty low. It's around 7 billion, not as low as we were last week when we were around 7.3 billion. But it's pretty low considering everything that happened. And you would think that the volume would be a bit higher, but in the end it's summer, it's still a bear market, I would say. But yeah, volume is decreasing rapidly. So what we'll see over the course of today is we'll see volume getting into the markets. Personally, I don't see any reason for why this consolidation range would not hold. We talked earlier about the possibility of like dropping down to 28,900 towards that area. And that we might have somewhat of a liquidity grab before going up again, because I do think that even if we would drop down to 28,800, I do still think that we would get to 34,000. But I don't think that's likely. I mean, at this point of time, we're actually holding on pretty well. So due to that low volume, that volatility is possible, but it's not expected, I would say, at this point of time. Now, I must say that this volume reminded me quite a bit of some volume we had a while back right here, which wasn't too great. I mean, here, this was also on a weekend where we barely had any movement, just like right now. And before that, we actually on Friday had a bearish move. So I just thought of that. That was an idea I had. I don't want to scare you, but it might be something to look out for. I don't think it's, like I said, I don't think that's the most likely scenario, but there is a potential that we'll do a liquidity grab down. There's a chance. I don't think it's most likely. I think we'll just drop down. I think we'll do a quick dip down towards 29,700. And then from there, we'll start moving up again towards 30,300 and then up to 30,800 and 31,400. I think that's most likely. I don't see a reason for why we would break above 31,400 in the next 2 days or so. But that could be, that's a possibility once we get up to that level again. But yeah, that's what we'll see. I'll keep you updated on that. Apart from that, if we take a look at this week in terms of economic events, what we'll see is that we have some retail sales numbers on Tuesday. Not too important. Housing permits, building permits on Wednesday, pretty important. Jobless claims and existing home sales on Thursday, pretty important, and that's about it. So I'll still keep you updated on that when those will come, or when they're closer. But for now, this is my take on Bitcoin. So if you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.